Hello everybody, my name is Kala Siddiqui, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to factory reset and delete all user data in your Garmin Nuvi 2757LM. Garmin Nuvi 2757LM. Okay, so first of all I would like to explain why would you want to do that. If you want to give away your GPS to a friend, if you want to sell it, or if you rented this GPS and you're returning the rental car, you want to delete all your data, the addresses that you've been for privacy reasons, this is how you need to completely wipe clean all your history, the places you have been, and the addresses that you have stored, the routes, and everything will be wiped clean. So this is how we do it. There are two methods. I'm going to teach you both methods because they are different in a way. One method, which I'm going to teach you first, eliminates some of the information. The second method, which I'm going to teach you, will completely factory reset it. So you have to be careful and make sure that you realize what you're doing, and also back up all the addresses, critical addresses that you need to have it saved before you do this procedure. Okay, so let's get started. The easy method, or the first method, which doesn't totally eliminate but eliminates most of it, this method that I'm going to do, the easy one, does not wipe clean the home address. So here is how you do it. Go to the volume button, and then put your finger in the upper right corner. Put your finger in the upper right corner until you get the diagnostic screen. Don't let go. Hold it there for nearly 10 seconds or so. Now, the very first option, it says clear all user data. Click on that. It says erase all user data, yes or no. Click on yes. The unit will restart itself and will come back and it will go through the same ritual of, setting up your country, your language, your, all that stuff as if you just bought the unit. However, your home address will still be there, so be careful. This isn't like a complete factory reset. So you're gonna choose your language. Remember, we had it in night mode. Now it's back to the day mode. See, it's all back to the day mode, which I need to change it. Now, the second, let me first correct the screen so you can see better. Night, so you can see better. Okay, so the second method is you have to completely shut it down. Pressing this button right here will not completely shut it down. Pressing that will simply take it to standby mode. So keep that in mind. To completely shut it down, you have to press and hold. Don't let go. Press and hold. And then press that off when this message comes. So you press and hold that puppy. Okay? Alright, so now we press off. The unit will turn off. Now that the unit is off, we turn it on. As soon as you turn it on, keep your finger in the bottom right corner. As soon as you see the Garmin logo. Okay? So let's do that. We turn it on. I saw the Garmin logo and I'll keep my finger here. Don't let go. Keep your finger there. And there you go. Erase all user data. Yes or no? Click yes. This time everything is gone. And double check because sometimes the address is the existing home address is still visible. So double check, and if it was still there, you can delete it in a different way, which I'm going to show you. Okay, now I'm going to go to display setting and change it again to night. Save. Now if you go to where to and you go to saved, all the addresses are gone. These are the default addresses. Now if I want to delete these, for example, I'm using this GPS in the United States. I don't need Garmin Europe or Garmin Asia. So what I can do is go to here, right? Delete saved places and click on that. Select all or cherry pick. So I'm gonna cherry pick Garmin Europe. and Garmin Asia, but I'm going to leave Garmin USA. Okay, so I simply want to delete those two and go delete. Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. And now saved places, the only place is Garmin USA, which I could go to if I wanted to. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was educational. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.